Samsung Galaxy F15 5G is powered by a 6000 mAh battery. Samsung on Monday launched the Galaxy F15 5G in India, the device which strikes a resemblance to the Galaxy A15 5G with only one major difference, which is the size of the battery. The F series houses a larger battery compared to the A series while being slightly more affordable. Samsung Galaxy F15 5G specifications. Samsung Galaxy F15 5G maintains the typical design elements of Samsung smartphones, featuring a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the back and a flat frame. On the front, the device sports a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a dewdrop notch, offering a resolution of 2340 x 1080 pixels FHD and a 90Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, it is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus SoC, coupled with either 4GB or 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The device runs on One UI 6.0 based on Android 14. Samsung assures users of 4 generations of Android updates and 5 years of security patches, according to Gizmo China. Additional features include compatibility with 13 5G bands, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, a microSD card slot, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. A robust 6000 mAh battery with support for 25W charging powers it. Samsung Galaxy F15 5G camera. The rear triple camera system includes a 50MP primary sensor, a 5MP ultra-wide unit, and a 2MP macro snapper, while the front houses a 13MP shooter. Samsung Galaxy F15 5G color. Samsung Galaxy F15 5G will be available in 3 color options: ash black, groovy violet, and jazzy green. Samsung Galaxy F15 5G price: 4GB 128GB INR 15,999, 6GB 128GB INR 16,999. The product will be sold through Flipkart and Samsung's official website.